In the heart of New Jersey, Warren County Community College's WarrenUAS program stands as a beacon of innovation in drone technology education. Led by the visionary Dr. William Austin, this program has become a national leader in unmanned systems training. WarrenUAS offers cutting-edge courses in drone design, operation, and maintenance. With state-of-the-art equipment and rare FAA certifications, students gain hands-on experience that prepares them for high-tech careers in various industries. In December 2024, mysterious drone sightings across New Jersey sparked public concern and media frenzy. As speculation grew, one expert voice rose above the noise. Dr. William Austin, president of Warren County Community College. Drawing on his extensive knowledge, Dr. Austin gave interviews to dozens of media outlets, including national and international ones, providing clarity and calm. He analyzed reports, debunked misconceptions, and emphasized the importance of responsible drone use and regulations. Through WarrenUAS and Dr. Austin's expertise, Warren County Community College continues to lead the way in drone education and public understanding.